This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tim Sharp. Lovingly updated 16 by 76 single wide home on oversized 1.2 acre lot with additional cleared home site complete with water, septic and power available, suitable for RV parking, new workshop or a second home for potential rental income. This secluded lot offers privacy only miles from waterways and town. Come see the carefully chosen updates that really make this house a home. Call today for your private or virtual showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Tim Sharp at 865-584-4000.